everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I sat down and did like a talky video with you guys, but I'm here, I'm ready. I've done a lot this month, like I've been on my travels, exploring different places, but I'm back better than ever, looking tans, looking a bit bronze, with my hefty, Jesus Christ, I need to get back at the gym, Cherryz box. Cherryz has been amazing and they've sent me a big box, loads of stuff to show you guys, and I can't wait. Let's just get into the video. Before I jump into the box and show you all the goodies I got, which I got tons for £30. £30, guys. You will not believe how much is in this box for £30. As I was scrolling through, picking what I wanted, I was comparing them to the price I know they would be in the shops. And some of them were like £2, £1, even 50p cheaper. And you know what? Maybe that's not a big difference for some people, but the price of living at the minute is just, it's skyrocketed. It's pathetic, guys. And I feel like Cherryz is really going to help. First of all, I have a 25% code off for you guys. I'll put it here for you guys to use on your first order. Then it's already cheaper than what's in the shops. Then it's like first class delivery. What's not to love? I'm literally gonna get all my family on Cherryz because I know they're gonna absolutely love it, especially my mum. I know for a fact she's already gonna use it. But anyways, enough rambling from me now. Let's get into what I've got. So first off, I've got these aero balls. I don't know how they've not melted in this heat, but they've not. I absolutely love these. I can't wait to eat them. Then these take me back to my childhood, like, oh my god. At the minute, I'm obsessed with them. I used to love them as a child and now I'm obsessed with them again. Chew-Its. Oh, my mouth is watering just thinking about eating these. Can't wait. Then I'm going to mix it up a bit. I am a bit of a gym girl. It might not look like it, but I do really enjoy going to the gym. And now I'm back from my travels and my holidays. I'm getting back into it, so I sweat like a little piggy on heat. Like, I sweat so bad at the gym, and I thought I'd get this little gym towel. It'd be perfect for it. It's dead soft as well, but this will be perfect for me because, oh my god, if you'd see me at the gym, you'd want to look the other way. Trust me. Oh my god. My sister got me onto these Johnson wipes. If you don't know, get to know. If you like using wipes to wipe your makeup off, or just like having them handy in case, I don't know, you use wipes for whatever you want to do with them. These smell absolutely gorgeous. I can't even describe the smell, but it's just unreal. So I got some of these because I absolutely adore them. Then I got a big packet of cheese and onion Pombers. I love these crisps. I didn't know until recently that they had cheese and onion ones. Why did I not know that? I literally just thought they had ready salted. So thank you, Cherryz, for pulling through with these. Then, oh my gosh, this is a godsend. Okay, you're probably going to think, Jess, why are you buying cleaning products? It's not a cleaning product. Again, if you don't know about this, I'm setting you up on something. So if you are a uni student or you just don't like ironing, you need to get the Lenore crease release. Oh my god, it is a lifesaver. If I'm getting ready to go out and I really can't be arsed ironing my stuff, all you do is hang your shirt up or whatever, spray a bit of this on, they're gone. Honestly, it's perfect. I love it so much. Me and my mum live by this. So getting another one of these is so handy, and it was cheaper than it was in the shops. I'm pretty sure it's £2 on Cherryz and it's £3 in the shop. I obviously had to get some Doritos. I don't know why I didn't get the hot chili. I feel like I've ate them so much now, I'm not really feeling the hot chili anymore. So I'm on to the blue ones. Absolutely love them. I also got some Galaxy minstrels. I've not had these in so long, and I saw them on the website and I was like, oh my god, let me get my hands on them. Really, if you think about it, Cherryz is the perfect app for students. It saves you having to go shopping. You can do it on your lunch break or your break in general. And it saves you so much money as well. This is the perfect brand for students. I feel like this is going to be my go-to brand now for just picking up little bits. The delivery's quick. It's just perfect really, isn't it? It's perfect for anyone. Next up, I did actually pick these up for my mum. She absolutely loves these. Again, Lenore, you might as well sponsor me at this point. They're these balls. I'm pretty sure you just shove them in the washing machine. I don't know. I'm pretty sure you do. My mum absolutely loves them and I had to get some. Again, cheaper on Cherryz than they are in the shops. Just get on Cherryz. You're missing out, guys. Oh, I had to get some of these. With me doing dance at uni, I have to have bath salts always. Even when I've not got aching muscles, I love the Radox bath salts. Any bath salts I just love. So I had to get some of these, and my dad also loves these as well. So sharing is caring, and that's what I'll do. Then I got some Febreze fabric spray. This is literally going to be perfect for like my bedding and stuff. Like sometimes I just love spraying my Victoria's Secret sprays over my bed to make it smell nice for when my boyfriend's coming around, or just to make me feel a bit better while I'm in bed. But now I've got this and it's perfect. Then I have these brightening vitamin C wipes. I thought I'd just get these. I don't even know why. Like, I'm not even a big wipe girl, but every time I need some wipes, I never have them and it does my head in. And my mum uses them a lot as well, so I just thought these would be convenient. And vitamin C I need some of, so I thought I'd just try it out. If they don't work, they don't work, but if they do, perfect. Then I got some razors, £1. I'm pretty sure they were £1 or 90p. And let's be real, us girls know the price of razors, it does my head in. Like, the one thing that does my head in about life in general is how much razors cost. I'm one of those girls who like to shave the body all over. I love having just the touching your skin. I shave my arms, I shave everywhere. But the price of razors, like these days, for one razor, it's like £10. So I just get the big ones, and again, cheaper in Cherryz than it was in the store, so perfect. I got some Starburst. I will be hiding these from my dad because he absolutely loves these. Then I've actually never seen these in the shops before, and I love Cadbury, but let me know if any of you guys have seen these. So like the Cadbury is it Choco sandwich biscuits? Yeah, that was a bit of a mouthful for me, but I've never tried these and I know I'm absolutely gonna love them because I love biscuits like this, so get in my belly. Then I have just some Dove body wash. I feel like everyone's used this. Like, if you haven't, it literally feels like dead smooth and creamy on your skin. I haven't had it in ages and I just thought I'd just get it, because why not? Then I have a bunch of more snacks. So I've got Haribo giant straws. I've got some fruit pastels. Again, I'll have to hide those from my dad. And then, oh my god, I have not had these for years. And it's the Poppets. And it's the toffee flavour. I used to love these in the little boxes. I've never seen it in a big packet before, so I just thought I'd reminisce in my childhood again and get these because I love them. I got some Curly Whirly Swirlies. I didn't even know they were called that. I have had these before and I love them, so I can't wait to gobble on those. I got some Maltesers. My mum is obsessed with Maltesers, like it's bad. So again, I may have to hide these from her because if I give them to her, she won't share them with me. She's a chocoholic. If there's an obsession with chocolate out there, my mum has it. On God. But anyways, I will be hiding these from her. I have 3 more bits left. I got the vitamin C lip mask. It's the same company as the wipes. So I just thought I'd try this out because I don't know if anyone else gets it, but like around your lips gets a bit like, not spotty, but like rough. And I'm not sure if it's just like dried skin and stuff. So I feel like this is really gonna hydrate my lips, and it's going to be really good for them, so I thought I'd try them out. Then I got the Imperial Leather. Is it Sweet and Pony? I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic, leave me alone, but I got this. We've all seen it in the shops. I think I've had it before, but it's a go-to, isn't it? So I got that. And then last but not least, okay, so I've been looking for a clay mask for so long. I feel like I can never find them, and it's always in like a massive tub and they're dead expensive. But I found this blueberry one on Cherryz and I absolutely can't wait to try it out. I've never actually had a clay mask on before. I've only had like the jelly ones. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out because I love my skincare. Guys, all this stuff for £30. How can you go wrong? Like, that is so much stuff. We all love a good bargain, and I feel like Cherryz is the place to go. With my 25% code as well, it's literally perfect. You're getting bargain upon bargain upon bargain. But that concludes my haul. Thank you so much, Cherryz, for working with me. Like, it warms my little heart that you would want to work with little old me. So make sure, guys, you go check Cherryz out and look at the bargains. You know I love a good bargain. Go check them out. And thank you for watching this video. It means the absolute world to me. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on Sunday for another video.